word of the Lord says like this: Give thanks to the Lord. Let the whole world know what He has done. In 1 Chronicles 16:8.
Greetings to everyone from the GCCI family. Failure is a stepping stone to success. Peter's life illustrates this beautiful truth. Once Peter and his friends went out for a fishing, but he did not catch even a single fish. This is probably unusual because Peter was a professional fisherman. In spite of all this, he did not catch even a single fish. Even superstars fail sometimes. The next day, the fishermen were washing their nest on the seashore, feeling very tired and disappointed. At that moment, Jesus came along and said, Peter, I would like to use your boat as a platform for speech. Peter led Jesus inside his boat. Now, after finishing his message, Jesus said, Now let's go fishing. Launch out into the deep water. Peter replied, Master, we've worked all night and haven't caught any single fish. But because you say so, when the disciples obeyed, they caught such a large number of fish. What does this story teaches us about failure? Jesus never performed a miracle without a purpose. He always used his miracles to illustrate his principles. This incident tells us what to do when our best is not good enough. I'm here to tell a beautiful testimony of my life that had happened very recently. I have completed my PhD in genetics and plant breeding. I have been preparing for an exam very diligently since 2012. It is almost 7 attempts that I gave up the exam. It is a mandatory exam to get an assistant professorship in an university. But every time I gave the exam, I failed. But this time, again there was a notification in 2021. Like the fishermen, how they were very tired and disappointed, even I was in the same mindset. So, with a confused mind, I called our beloved pastor and our church leaders to whether give the exam this time or not. But they told me, yes, you should. I obeyed their words and gave the exam, like how Peter obeyed Jesus. The results were announced, and this time I got qualified. Like how the fishermen were completely happy. God gave me a satisfying marks and with more than my expectation. The only thing is we should trust in the Lord. The Lord our God is always faithful. The one who began the good work in us is always faithful to complete it. The reason for success is found in Luke 5:3. Christ was inside the boat with the disciples. All the 7 times I appeared for the exam, I diligently prepared, and I was relying on my own understanding. I failed. But this time when I led Jesus inside the boat, the result was amazing. Christ's presence do make a big difference. Just because your problem is not solved, it does not mean that there isn't a solution existing. It is always through failures we learn to get succeeded. The message to each and every one of you is this: try hard, don't give up. But this time, make sure to keep Jesus inside your boat. He will make a big difference. I thank our beloved pastor, our church leaders who stood with me through their prayers. I thank my family too, who were standing strong as a pillar for me. All the glory and honor to Him alone.